What if I told you that 67% of successful people use the same productivity system that takes just 5 minutes to set up? Here's the thing. Everybody thinks they know how to make a to-do list, but most people are doing it completely wrong. With AI distractions coming at us from every direction, a properly structured to-do list isn't just helpful, it's necessary. In this short video, we will show you exactly how the most productive people structure their daily lists, plus the apps and AI-powered tools that can help increase your efficiency by 10 times. But first, let's look at why your current to-do list is probably impeding your success. The problem with most to-do lists. Let's be honest, the best part of any to-do list is that satisfying moment when you check something off as complete. But here's 2 reasons why they often fail. The wrong things on your list and too many things on your list. Both of these errors make them impossible to complete and leave you wondering why you are not productive, often overwhelmed, and that nagging feeling that you're always behind. The science behind effective to-do lists. Here's what neuroscience tells us. Our brains are wired to seek completion. When we finish a task, we get a hit of dopamine, our brain's reward chemical. But when tasks are too big, vague, or too many, our brain actually resists starting them because it can't see the finish line. So the secret isn't just writing things down, it's writing them down in a way that your brain wants to tackle them. The 3-tier system, tasks versus projects versus goals. This is where most people mess up. They mix 3 completely different things on one list. Goals are your big picture ambitions. Get promoted, buy a house, learn Spanish. Projects are multi-step undertakings. Plan vacation, renovate kitchen, launch podcast. Tasks are single specific actions you can complete in one sitting. Call kitchen company, pay travel agent. Here's the rule. Only tasks go on your daily to-do list. Everything else lives elsewhere. So instead of learn Spanish on your daily list, you would have complete lesson 3 on Duolingo or practice Spanish vocab for 15 minutes. But here's where it gets interesting. We now have AI tools that can actually help us break down these big projects automatically. We will show you exactly which ones in just a minute. But first, let's have a look at some golden rules of task breakdown. The 2-hour rule of tasks. Never put anything on your to-do list that takes longer than 2 hours to complete. If it's bigger than that, break it down further into smaller tasks. Instead of write quarterly report, why not try outline quarterly report sections or gather quarter 1 sales data? This isn't just about making things manageable. It's about creating momentum. Every completed task builds confidence for the next one. Keeping your list active. Your to-do list should be a living document that evolves daily. We've all had those zombie tasks, items that haunt our lists for weeks or even months. Do a weekly audit. If something's been sitting there for more than 2 weeks, either break it down into smaller further tasks, schedule it for a specific time, or, be honest, delete it. If it was really important, you probably would have done it by now. To-do list top tips. Write it down. It doesn't matter whether it's on paper or electronically, but you need to be able to see it and visualize it. Don't add too many tasks to your list. You will rarely complete 20 tasks in one day. Keep it real. Rank them in terms of urgency and important. If they are not urgent or important, they should not be on your list. Time block your tasks directly into your calendar. Don't just list them, but schedule them. And remember, the most important task doesn't always need to be done first thing in the day. In fact, it may not be able to be done first thing in the day. You may need to schedule it for a later time in the day when it's possible to do it. Use AI prompts to help you. You can ask it to do things such as break down launch newsletter into 10 specific tasks I can do this week. Batch similar tasks. Group all your calls, your emails, creative work, sales. Cross things off when done. It is really important when you have completed a task to cross it out. And do what works for you. The key is finding the system that matches your brain, not forcing your brain to match somebody else's system. We promised you earlier to share some apps and tools that may help you with your to-do list. Here they are. AI-powered options. Motion uses AI to automatically schedule your tasks based on your calendar and priorities. Notion AI can break down large projects into actionable tasks instantly. ClickUp has AI features that suggest optimal task sequencing. Traditional powerhouses. Todoist remains the gold standard for cross-platform task management. Things 3. Apple ecosystem for beautiful, intuitive design. Obsidian for those who want to connect tasks to larger knowledge systems. The Simplicity Champions, Apple Reminders, has gotten incredibly powerful with location-based triggers. Google Tasks integrates seamlessly with Gmail and Calendar. Remember, the perfect to-do list isn't about having the fanciest app or the longest list. It's about creating small, specific, achievable actions that build momentum towards your bigger goals. So why not start by picking one tool that we have mentioned? Spend 10 minutes setting it up, and tomorrow morning, write 3 specific tasks that you can complete in that day. Do that and you're well on your way to building good habits with your to-do list.